Well, we are seeing that flooding in many of our coastal communities like Longboat Key and Madeira Beach in Pinellas County. 8 on your side's Nicole Rogers is joining us live from the Shore Acres neighborhood in St. Petersburg. We can see the flooding. It looks like the wind is picking up there as well, Nicole.
Hey, Melissa, good morning. The wind is definitely picking up, but now that we do have some sort of sunlight, I wanted to show you exactly how this looks out here. You can see it a lot better. As you can see, my boots are up to here, but if I were to keep walking backwards, it would go just farther up. Take a look. You can finally get a clear view of this street that we've been talking about. Now, this is the Bayou Grande Boulevard Northeast. That's a street that you're looking at right now. It is blocked off by police. And here, if I had my photographer pan all the way back over here, take a look. There is so much more flooding on all three sides of us. As you can see, some cars are in it. That's what we're seeing here in Shore Acres here in St. Petersburg right now. My heart just breaks for this community. So many of these homes have people that either just moved back in or were planning to just finally get back in their house after the damage we saw from Hurricane Idalia. One man that we just spoke to was driving by, and he said he did not expect it to be this bad.
Driving through, we had no idea. I mean, it was really high. I mean, I have air suspension. I brought it up as high as I could, and it wasn't until we got into Shore Acres. So and I was like, well, shoot, we're in the middle of, we can't get out of this now. We're committed.
And as the sun continues to rise, we'll be able to show you more of the damage and get more of an assessment on what's really going on out here. And as, of course, residents wake up, I know it's very early on the Sunday morning, we'll be speaking with them to see how their homes fared throughout all of this. Of course, we'll keep you informed on everything you need to know here on air and online at WFL8.com. For now, live in Shore Acres, Nicole Rogers, 8 on your side.